First, place the X character plugin into the plugins directory. Then open your project. Once opened, you will see an additional X icon. Clicking this will open the MotionGen workspace. At this point, you cannot generate anything without configuring the secret key. You will see an error message in the lower right corner. Now you need to switch to Setting panel and enter the secret key. Entering the key. Return and start creating your first action. In the prompt field, enter the prompt for the action to be generated. Here, I've entered a person walking like a zombie. The asset name specifies the name of the asset where the action is saved. Animation length can be set between 1 to 10 seconds. You can also tick Use Recommend Length to generate an animation with recommended length. Once ticked, animation length will no longer be effective. Offset length can specify the animation's distance from the ground to correct any intersection between the model and the ground. You can switch to a different retargeting asset for preview. Start generation. You will need to wait a moment. It's important to note that the skeleton used for generation and the skeleton used for preview are not the same. If you want to apply the animation to your model, you first need to create a retargeting asset. Once generated, you can click the Export button. You will see that the action has been saved in the specified path. Check it out. The animation assets in the preview viewport are temporarily created in the working directory and will be deleted after closing the window. So remember, export your animation before exiting the window. If you want to change the storage path, you can specify it in the settings. Let's do it again. This time, I use the specified animation length. You can see that the animation has been saved in the new directory. After the preview, you can also create using a retargeting asset. You will get the same result as in the viewports of MotionGen workspace. Save the animation. Next, try it out in the scene. Specify the animation we just generated. You can adjust your character and animation orientation according to the scene. You can also apply the animation in the animation blueprint. They are no different from directly imported animation assets, so they can be used directly.